Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sazi Graphics. Now in this particular tutorial I'll just be taking you through some PLP file which I will be giving out. Alright, so this is the first one. I've done this tutorial. I'll be giving out my own PLP file. You get access to every of the resources I made use of here. Now the second one is this element here. Get access to every resources used down to the here, but you won't get this image except there will be already be in the box. If you change it, they are gone forever, except you undo it before Pixellab cannot regain the settings again, just because you're not having the image and I'm having it. So the next one after this I'll be giving is this guy. So all the resources, my process, you see it here. So the next one after that is this guy. They're just 5 PLP files. Now I have to leave this guy open because it's very necessary. Okay, so the last but not the least is this children's flyer. So you get access to everything. Now I'll be sending you the PLP file. There'll be a password attached to this video. The link will be in the description of this video. So if you download it, all you just need to do is use a good zip extractor like ZarchiveR to extract it. So it's going to ask for password. So this is ZarchiveR. This is my file manager. So if you downloaded it, your file should be somewhere in your download. So you just need to locate it out. But I already have it here, so I compressed it in my Pixellab file. So they are here. All you just need to do is extract here. If this way you want to extract it, if that's not way you want to extract it, just extract to a particular place, but it still needs a password. All you just need to do is just input the password, and once you're done you click OK. It will just extract. Alright, now let me now show you how you can add it to your Pixellab. All you just need to do, you see, like now I can't, let me just delete this guy. You can see this call is a PLP file, that's why it's having .plp at the back, but I can't open it. You can't open it with any other file except Pixellab itself. So I'll be going to Pixellab. I'll click on this icon, or you can click on this, my project. Then you click on PLP. Then you will now go to the folder. See, you can see this is by default. Mine is set on download. Assuming I downloaded it, so I'll just come and look. You can see I'm only seeing one PLP here. But I'll be going back with this arrow tool. Then I've gone back, so I'll now go to the folder. I have my PLP file, which is Pixellab. You can see this call. So if I click call, if I click open only, I'll just open it. It will not be saved here. I missed my project. When you click open and add, I don't want to go back because I'm already having it a particular folder just with that name, open and add score. You can look at it here. Okay, let me just bring in another one. You can see by default it's in my download, but this is a PLP. When I click open and add, you can see this one is now added to my folders. Even though, for example, I just edit, let me just delete this. and just maybe I'm doing a project, if I click back on it, I can still go back there. Alright, so it's not difficult. You should be able to install it yourself. Alright, so that's all for this particular tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video.